Dear viewers, do you know what effects standing while combing your hair can have on both body and soul? Have you ever heard what harm may come from using someone else's comb? And do you know that through combing, one's sexual strength can increase? All these matters are mentioned in the blessed hadiths and traditions of the saints. Let us discover these amazing truths, but before that, we humbly request you to give this video a lovely like. Your like is our encouragement. And do subscribe to the channel so that such informative and spiritual videos keep reaching you. The Holy Messenger of Islam said, "Combing the head and the beard removes fever, increases sustenance, this lengthens life, and strengthens sexual power." Combing is not merely an act of outward cleanliness, but also a means of spiritual healing. Combing the head and beard draws sustenance, adds radiance to the face, and brings freshness to the body. It is mentioned in Hadith that combing the head removes 20 types of illnesses. Hair becomes beautiful, the back grows strong, phlegm is eliminated, and offspring increase. Combing the cheeks and beard strengthens the teeth. Combing the locks removes satanic whispers. Combing while sitting strengthens the heart, whereas combing while standing weakens it. It is related that one who combs while standing becomes entangled in debt and poverty. Hazrat Ali, may Allah honor his face, said, "Standing while combing brings worry and hardship around a person." It is narrated that the Messenger of Allah Salam would first soak the comb in water and then gently comb his head and beard. He Salam would comb his blessed beard 40 times upward and 7 times downward, and said that doing so increases sustenance and removes phlegm. When a person intends to comb, he should remain in whatever sitting position he is in. He should hold the comb in his right hand and begin from the front part of the head, saying in his heart, "O Allah, make my hair and face beautiful and pure, and keep disease and plague away from me." Then comb the back part of the head, saying, "O Allah, do not turn me backward and protect me from the deceit of Satan." Then comb the eyebrows, saying, "O Allah, adorn me with the beauty of guidance." After that, comb the beard downward and say, "O Allah, remove from me the grief of past and future, the sorrow of the heart, and the whisperings of Satan." Then comb upward 40 times while reciting Surah Inna Anzalnahu, and downward 7 times while reciting Surah Al-Adiyat. Finally, pass the comb over the chest and say, "O Allah, remove from me all grief, sorrow, and satanic whispers." It is stated in narrations that whoever combs the head, beard, and chest 7 times, Allah Almighty protects him from every pain and suffering. Hadith also mentions that if someone uses another person's comb, enmity and hatred arise between their hearts. If, out of necessity, one must use another's comb, then reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times before using it prevents enmity and hatred from developing. It is narrated that arranging and beautifying one's hair is recommended, for Allah Almighty loves beauty and cleanliness. It is said that whoever does not part his hair, on the day of judgment, Allah will make a parting down the middle of his head. Keeping the body neat and tidy enhances beauty, and caring for the hair adds charm and radiance to the face. One should not comb in the bathroom, for it weakens the hair. Frequently touching the beard is a flaw, and biting the beard or nails with the teeth is considered a satanic whisper. Combing may seem like a simple act, but within it lies outward cleanliness, spiritual healing, physical health, and increase in sustenance and strength. If we follow the method taught by the Holy Prophet ﷺ, this simple act can bring light, blessings, and peace into our lives.